I was gonna start right at 6:30, but I couldn't start it. 2 likers on the stream but 1 viewer. How's that possible?
No, bro.
Boom, boom. Bada bing,
Some
bada boom.
crazy shit. Man, souls look so good right now.
Yeah, 100%, bro. 100%.
Last 15 minutes hour.
Oh, 4-5 minute candle close?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Why not? Why would you not be in sells?
I don't know, I don't know, this like, it's just been moving wacky. Like, I've just been watching it.
1 hour closed bearish. Yeah, 1 hour is good. Broke the lows. 30 minute broke the lows. 30 minute has a clean trap to move down to this target.
Yeah, I was gonna sell once the 15 minute broke the low on like the previous candle.
I'm entering a sell here.
I mean, I'm already in the sell.
Anticipating this is the 1 hour high to go down. Man.
Alright, we'll make some coffee.
There. Stop loss is above the candle high, so there. TP is gonna be 133, 143. Alright guys, I'm in the sell here. Hold on, let me just record the Zoom call.
Good one. Good stuff.
Yes, I'm in the sell here. Oh, is my thing choppy or is my screen choppy on YouTube? You answered? Yeah, I answered. Hold on. Oh no, it's 1080. We're good, right? Is everyone streaming at 1080? 60 FPS? Imagine streaming charts at 60 FPS or like 200 FPS. There's no point of that. Alright guys, yeah, I'm in sells here based on the fact that the 1 hour actually closed bearish. So the previous 1 hour candle closed bearish. So you know that now price wants to drive down. So if the first 15 minute candle, oh wait, what? Oh wait, this is a 645 candle? Oh my god. I thought it was I'm tripping. I thought it was bro, I thought it was a thing. I thought it was a thing candle.
I know, but it's still a clean traffic move. Like, it should still come down.
Yeah. I thought it was bro, I'm tripping. I thought it was a 715 candle. I mean, I thought it was a 615 candle. I'm tripping, bro. I thought it was a first 15 minute candle, the hourly candle. I was gonna say, if this is the first 15 minute candle, we should read a higher price to drive down. I think.
Sure, yeah.
No, yeah, but you're good on this one.
I think stops gonna have to be up here then. They're 1-1 now. This is the trade now. Should be good.
Once it goes past this wick, it's over.
I think I can put my target down at
249.
Yo, I think I have nothing on my chart. I just took that in.
Yeah.
Boom, in profit. Target is down here at the support.
There you go.
There it goes. 4/5 profit. Nice.
I'm moving my stop entry on this one.
What?
What?
It broke the low. And it's the last 15 minutes.
What's your entry though?
It's 133.290, so pretty good.
133.29. Yeah, same here, bro. Same.
Yeah, stops are 1 hour high.
The man said he found him with stop loss entry.
Man really says I'm
yeah,
stop loss
bro,
to entry.
Like, doesn't that make sense? Last 15 minutes of the hour.
Yeah.
There's no reason it should pull back up here, really. Like, there's no traffic.
Yes, you are correct. I am going to do that as well. I'm moving my stops to entry here because, first of all, I thought that this was the first 15-minute candle that closed bearish, and this is the second 15-minute candle coming into the new hourly candle. So price shouldn't really drive back up to the upside if this is the hourly, this is the new candle high.
Yeah.
The price will drive down, right? So yeah, that's correct. I think what I'll want to do actually is just, if it hits an entry, I'll probably wait for the 715 candle. So I got on my trader. I didn't realize that this is a 45-minute candle here. I'm really tripping. I'm probably gonna wait for so like I said, I'm probably gonna wait for the hourly candle to close now to see where my entry will be. So I can give GJ 2 chances. So what I'm going to do is probably wait for his hourly close, and you can enter on the based off the fact that you can enter off the opening of the next candle, the next hourly candle with stop loss above the previous candle high, or you can enter off of the next 7:45 candle. So not the 7 o'clock candle, because the 7 o'clock candle will just show us like it's a new candle, but the 7:15 candle, because the 7:15 candle, when that forms, it's gonna show you the new highs and the new lows of the first hourly, and you can start to put that. You can start putting pieces together from the first 15, anticipating that that's the hourly high. The price doesn't drop down. You know what I mean? So, yeah. So you guys probably know that whenever that shows like what, like 4 or 3% profit, I move stops to entry. Something that I do based on the fact that this candle was a 45-minute candle. It was just the last 15-minute candle of the hourly. So I just might as well wait for the whole hourly candle to close to turn my trade. And I'll be much more comfortable doing that, because I was not comfortable in that trade because I thought that it was a 7:15 candle. But yeah. So let's see. Stalls are still valid though. This should be a target today.
Stop that shit.
Yeah. It's whatever. Hold on. Let's go. This or
I take it out.
yeah. See, so you guys see how now this candle flip up bullish. We don't know how far back it's gonna go. So that's why I move stops to entry, because now it has a high chance of driving, because like it made a high, right? And then after it broke the low, so technically it shouldn't come back to break the highs. And our entry is at the highs. So now price is breaking the current candle high, and we don't know how far back it's gonna go. If it breaks the 50-minute high, it can go up further. Who knows, right? But you see how far this Jesus candle is pushing now. Something you wouldn't want to be in, and it's something that requires just a lot of back testing, a lot of skill to figure out. But yeah, that's why I move stops to entry. Some say, "Oh, Don, why are you so scared? Why you move stops to entry so quick?" Well, the trade doesn't make sense. Why would I want to be in it? Because I know that if price drives up, it's gonna go further up. So now we have a better candle and a bigger range, because we're waiting for the hourly candle to close, and it might close bullish. Who knows? If it closes bullish, we have a chance of flying up here, because the daily candle, yes, they did. Oh shit, it closed bearish. I'm tripping. Yeah, let's see what happens here. GG is just very choppy this week, like I mentioned. I mentioned it being choppy this week because the weekly candle. Next week should be better for GJ. Because the weekly candle, yes, this week closed with no bottom wick, and it's a bearish candle closures, meaning that it has no range to come down, right? So if this candle closes bullish this week, we have a high chance of continuing up to the upside next week, right throughout the whole week. But as of right now, this might be a lower chops. I ain't gonna lie. I think buys above this 1 hour high though will be clean.
Super clean.
Yep. Down to this target. Next.
I feel like I never really trusted the cells because the first 15 minute broke the high.
Yeah, I thought it was a 7:15 candle. That's why. I literally saw the 1 hour being bearish, closed bearish. I thought, okay, maybe I'm like, okay, this is the first 15-minute candle, right? I should enter a sell based off that, but it was a 45-minute candle.
I mean, I feel like I would still enter that sell again, even if it was a 745 candle again, because like I feel like most of the time I would still play it out, because it's like super, it closed below like most of the wicks. Like I don't know, it's just a super clean.
Yeah. What do you think of Q-Banks? I have no comment on those traders. No comment on them. No commento. Okay, gold. And we can do chart analysis, actually. Yeah, we can do one. See what gold has enough to offer today. Gold. Is that mic okay? My mic's okay, right? Yeah, my mic's okay. Good save on that sell. Yep. Very, very, very good save on that sell. Man, if you're still in sells, man. Yeah, see? Yeah, see what counts is so important. Now you're in drawdown for no reason.
Yeah, also previous 4 hours bullish. Like
Yeah, 4 hours bullish, yeah. I don't know, it's kind of choppy. Like this, I don't trust this. I rather buy and sell, obviously. But just today, the daily kind of closed a bit bearish.
Yeah, I just don't really trust this pair.
Gold was a nice fake out though. Clean fake out. Alright, GG's gonna close. 1 hour's gonna close bullish. Oof. Man. If you close, this might be a fake out. If you do close bullish.
I think it looks good for a buy if it goes
Yeah.
Because then it's like the 4 hours making a support.
Because now, yeah, we have this range here earlier. On GJ like this. We had this range. Resistance. Support. This candle broke below it. Boom. People like sells here. Now this candle's driving back into range, and now we have it fill the range. So this, if this is a fake out, which it looks like it, we have a 75% chance of breaking this resistance, continuing up to this. Because like I said, fake outs 85% chance of filling the range, and 75% chance of continuing up bullish. So yeah, should break that resistance to see.
If this candle closes bullish like this, I'm gonna have a buy stop on the candle high.
Oof, we're pushing up here. Okay, I think we can push up to this target. So left there. Yeah, that target should be able to hit easily. Ooh, for breaking 30-minute highs, everything. We're breaking every high. I should have left my position open. Oh well, what a jump. Yeah, so now we're probably gonna tap this resistance here cleanly. I should have done this, I should have done that, you know. Can't see as yourself, man. NAS 100? Oh, Bob, what up, Bobby? Yeah, Bobby, if you send me a chart analysis of NAS, a full chart analysis, I'll take a look at it. US 30 here. I'll look at US 30 though, that's what I'll look at, but see what happens. Let's go look at this. Break down this pair a little bit. What do you got here? Support being made. 4 hour is currently bullish. Daily candle is currently bearish. Yeah, drive back down. I think sells below this target will be clean today. Below 25393 coming down to the down here will probably be clean for US 30. Or at least the support. Right now, yes, price has a chance of flying up here. Alright, 1 hour candle has closed. So you guys see, if you were still in sells, now we would have been stuck here. But the 1 hour does look like a gulag move, I'm not even gonna lie. We don't have, I'm not gonna trust the buys just yet. I'm probably gonna wait for a couple 15-minute candles to form, maybe like 1 or 2. So maybe at 7:30 you can look for buys. But I don't trust this 1 hour candle at all. But this is not what I call the gulag move right here. What it is just has a lower chance of continuing up from what I've seen because the way the candles are forming here. We don't have enough support on the right side here for us to go up. So we have this kind of broke out above the range, and now I need some type of support being made here before we can push up. So maybe what usually happens with GG is we have like something like this. You have like a bunch of wicks here, and you have a push up or something, or you have like a bunch of candles like this, and then boom. All of a sudden you have a breakout candle to the top, and then boom, that's when you can buy up. Right, but this is what I just tend to stay out. Like I stay out no matter what happens. No matter how good it looks, I just stay out this move, this buy. Because I've been stopped on this move plenty of times.
Yeah, stops are also fat.
Stops are also really fat. Yeah. This is not my ideal trade. We're gonna wait. So break even. But yeah, stocks have chance. It's obviously since it closed bullish, it has a high chance of driving up. It's just that it's not a buy that I'll be comfortable taking. Yeah, I see where you got in off the current counter, right?
Yeah, no, I just got him once it broke the high.
Yeah. Fine. Just wait. I know if I take this buy, I'm not gonna be comfortable taking it. You guys enjoying the stream? Leave a like on the stream. I'll appreciate that.
This doesn't play out. This is probably my last stream for the day.
This should be clean though, because you have no traffic to the left here, above this area. No traffic all the way to this target, so that should be an easy target for GJ.
There's like resistance here, so.
Any reason why you trading GJ so heavy? No, I used to trade a bunch of other pairs, but now I just focus. I just shifted my focus to GJ. It's just what works best out for me, and probably what I'm mostly familiar with. I still look at gold and US30. I just don't enter them as often as I used to. I used to trade gold just like GJ though. I used to milk gold as well, but now I just focus on GJ. On milk. For our support there, yeah, that's a clean target. Price comes down. Yeah. Alright, cool. So buys for me would probably be above this area. Go out bullish. Because if we do break this high, man, we're gonna push up far. Because that's a daily high. So buys above that daily high, obviously this target. Alright, yeah, see that? So if GJ breaks today, if it wants to break this high at 133.632, we're gonna drive all the way to 134.332. That's like 100 pips or something. That's like, oh no, that's like 70 pips. So we can catch something today. Definitely can catch something. But it's just these buys right now aren't clean to me. We're gonna have to wait for this 15 to close or something, but above this area should be very clean to go up. That's yesterday's high up there. Target. If break. This is perfect. I want everyone to look at this, okay? This is a target today once you break above this key area right here. Because above here, people could tell me that there's a resistance here, right here. But from me seeing this play out many times and back testing this many times, off of this analysis, I can tell you that we're going to go straight up to this target. these levels should be where you should be using it to your advantage and moving your stops to entry, closing half, all that good stuff, right? But other than that, the runner should go all the way up to this target, and GG has no I don't see it going anywhere else once it breaks above here, but to this target. Yeah, did you take any trade in Asian? Nah, I didn't. I was actually busy. I was actually out, so I couldn't trade Asian. But it looks pretty rangy. I did see buys though. Like I was done call buys out, but I'm like, you know what? I'm just not. I think it was around like this area. What time is it? It was around. I think it was this candle right here. I was looking for buys in the Asian session. I think buys was above this area. Like. Yeah, like a 1-to-1 risk to reward here, but this is what I would have gave out probably, this buy right here for 15 pips, but I didn't. I was out. But other than that, it was pretty rangy. It was a pretty trash session. Not much happened. Cool. Yeah, we're very chopped here. We know that buys will be above here, so now we gotta figure out how we're gonna get there. So now you can start anticipating moves to happen. You know, as we close bullish here, you can put, enter earlier. You know, so let's see what happens here.
I just want the 15 to close bullish.
Yeah, the 15 close bullish. I'm entering buy. Yep. So you have a big range here. We have a high chance of going up. So let's see what happens. You gotta be patient. Right now we may not have entries, but in a bit we might do. May do. I just don't want this candle to push up too high, so we have a bigger stop. 7 minutes left. Target is 134, 322. Yeah, that's the target if you do break above this level. Only if you break above that level. If you don't, we're technically still bearish. But once you do, we can say we're bullish, or we can head up to that level easily. And I'll picture it like this. I picture that candle probably like then next candle pop up. Right there. Might be one huge candle, might not. Let's see what happens. But it should be a clean move up. Minutes left. You got news today? No news, right? Oof. I'm actually pretty happy the way I managed that first trade. Not gonna lie. Not even gonna lie. Oh shit, random, you're back today? And if you blew your account, man, Yeah, of course. I think you should whenever people blow accounts, what they do like is they load their accounts right away after, like a day after, and then they'll just continue trading again. Does that make any doesn't make any sense, right? If you blow your account, exactly. Yeah, if you're using a demo, sure, you can use that time to just reevaluate your trading style. But man, what you shouldn't do is just do not blow up another account for like maybe another 2 weeks or a couple months, you know, or yeah, a couple weeks to a month.
That's what I did. Like the last like official blown was like last summer, and then I put myself like I'm focus on my skill set, and I was doing that all this year. And of course, definitely got to reevaluate yourself.
Yeah. Cause like if you just saying to yourself, oh man, if I if you just say to yourself, man, if I blew my account today and I just have a fresh day tomorrow and I load up, it's gonna be a new day. It's gonna be it's gonna be a fresh trading account. Nothing changes. You're still gonna have the same, like you still have the same skill set as you did yesterday. Like nothing changed overnight. You know, it takes a minute for you to actually change, and that's just coming from personal experience, man. I used to blow accounts and then just hop right on to the next day. Yeah, it's not gonna work like that, man. So
Like serious traders, I feel like once they hit that wall, like they gotta be better. They're not gonna keep losing money.
yeah, so I don't have a buy stop here. I don't have a buy stop. That's not my initial trade. I'm gonna market X here probably. Let's see what happens though. I'm gonna wait for the 15 to close to see what happens. If you do enter now, our stop's gonna have to be 10 pips. 16 pips, I lied.
8 pips in profit.
Yeah, you got a clean trade there.
Oh shit.
John, you just skipped the gulag moves
you're
more
gonna buy
than
some?
in the past.
Yeah.
Yeah, same
That's
here.
weird.
What's your entry, bro?
Alright, yes, I did.
133, 525.
Oh, mine is 526.
Nice.
Yeah, man, I think buys above this area was pretty clean as well. Once you broke this 15-minute high here, down here, because now we just filled the range. I didn't see this. This is a clean fake out here. If you guys look at GG here, yeah, this resistance, this support. Yeah, I did explain this. Yeah, we filled the range. Now we're pushing up further. Remember, 85% chance of filling it, which we did. 75% chance of breaking it, which we broke it as well. So the fake out move is pretty valid. You guys probably seen that's the probably most talked about move on my live streams, and I talk about the 75, 85, I mean 85, 75% thing all the time. So it's probably stuck in your guys' head, but yo, often it plays out. You gotta spot it. Oh, that is. But this is a 15-minute fake out, right? So let's see how everything else looks. Daily's about to break the daily candle high, bro. That's pretty huge. Yeah, man, we're gonna fly all the way up to this target today if you do break this high here. Fly. Ooh. Getting close. 15's about a closer. With a nice wickish. We're gonna enter a buy. Because the stop loss is going to be discounted because the price does break that low, we're going to try back down in the range, right? So this makes sense for us to do that.
Man, it was like 9 pips of profit. I was like, I just missed the opportunity. Secure. You're gonna buy here?
Yep. Just entered. is literally the risk to reward. Like it looks crazy, but probably gonna secure most of my profits around these levels or something probably anyways. Did we break it? Yeah, we broke the highs. Pretty clean here. Now at 133.548, 34.2, stop loss 33.44. And also, guys, I only have runners like this type of trade. I only have it at the beginning of the day because I know that I'm not gonna be able to manage the trades later on. If I do, like, if I see the same opportunity at like maybe 10, 11 o'clock, I'm probably not gonna enter it because I'm gonna have to spend the next couple hours just managing this trade, you know.
Man, I got stopped at entry on my first thing.
Yeah.
Entered again though.
I think if GJ breaks this low here, we're gonna probably get him back down, and this would be a double fake out. See what happens here. This guy has no top wick though, so this is probably a fake out. Not a fake out. It's probably a wick down to go up. If this is that candle, because this candle had no top wick, right? When it opened up, it just came straight down, meaning that this might just be a pullback, or not pullback, but I'll say a bond wick to go up.
Not looking like it.
See, until it breaks that low, coming close.
Just broke the low.
There it goes, stopped out.
Yeah, I'm done for the day, man.
Negative 12 pips, trade number 2. Yeah, I broke that low. It's kind of tough there.
Came up, almost broke the high.
This kind of literally had no top wick.
I know. I thought it looked so good for a buy.
The trade that I'll enter off of, I probably enter off of hundreds of times on the stream though.
Yeah.
That's tough. Third loss of June. Yeah. So since I got stopped out here and like, this is probably a fake out here. Like I said, I wasn't entering off of this new hourly candle because this hourly candle just like a gulag move to me, and I wait for the 15-minute candle to close, and once it closed bullish, that was my entry. I broke down the trade before the candle even played out, and it did the following, so I entered. But now that I hit stops, there's just no reason for me to be in buys anymore at all. I think we have like that was like a 548. Yeah, that was a pretty quick loss there. I don't know, like I'm probably gonna wait for this 1 hour candle, or no, not the 1 hour candle, the 30-minute candle to close to see what's popping here. Because right now, yeah, buys for me will probably be above this area now, or above this bearish candle on the next candle when it breaks the high. See what happens here. But you know, small loss. If you guys check our losses, probably way smarter than our wins. GJ is playing, man. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see what happens there. I'm pretty confident in this buy still. We're gonna wait. So like, here's what I'm looking for. GJ, this 15 is gonna close bearish, right, in 10 minutes, and then the next 15, which is the new 30-minute candle. If it does push up and break this high, I'm probably gonna enter a buy again. Once it breaks this high right here, I'm gonna look for buys, and then once it breaks that, it should continue up like this.
Yo,
have
Lock, did you
buy
secure
stop or something.
Nah, it just hit my entry and that was it.
Yeah. Bro, I was finna secure. Oh, jeez. Don't have at least one profitable.
Because guys, remember when the first 15-minute candle closed right here, we anticipate it was only anticipation, right? It's not an actual closure. We only anticipated this is a 1 hour low, and now we broke that, right? But now the 1 hour low is still continuing. We have like another 30 minutes left, or another 4 or 5 minutes left. So you have all that time to make a low. So if GG does break this high on the next 15 candle, I'm probably gonna have a buy stop there, and we can say that this is the 1 hour low. If price wants to drive up bullish, that's what I'm gonna look for.
You know I'm David time.
What up, bro?
Bruh,
So Jimbo.
I was up on Monty, bruh. That man is so lit, bruh.
Yeah, he's nice.
Bro, I was up watching it. I'm like, yo, this man is on a whole different level, bruh. Like, look, I got stopped out on my first entry because that retest was crazy, but it was whatever. And like, my freaking second sell, bro, that was the most cleanest sell I had.
Oh, during London?
Yeah, I was up at London with him, bro. Yo, he's freaking lit, bro. Mad respect for him, bro.
Yeah, because Don, if it breaks that 15-minute high, that's also breaking the daily high. So
Yeah, and once it breaks that high, well, actually no, I'm waiting for it to break this bearish candle high. So I'm waiting for this candle to close. I want it to close bearish. I wanted to close bearish, yeah. Because now we can say that this is the 1 hour low, right? Because we don't have that 1 hour low yet. We'll see what happens here. I'm still bullish as of right now.
But nah,
This is still a target today.
yeah, I range. I was so tired watching, bro. I was up. I was gonna like just fall asleep. I'm like, no, that's like,
London boy.
the London demon is coming back. Do not worry, bro. I'm risking my sleep all July. I'm good for it. I'm risking my sleep.
But yeah, this is still a gulag move. You know? So like I avoid a gulag move, it's just that I got stopped on a different move. That's a whole different move. But this is a gulag move. Candle close bullish, and now we need some support to the right side if you want to push up, I guess. Those buys look so clean.
You know,
I ain't gonna lie.
London opening, bruh. That felt like nostalgia, bruh. I'm like, I ain't feel this in a minute, bruh.
Oh damn, Roger took L's too. 11 pips there. The same loss as me.
What made you buy?
Hmm?
What made you buy?
So the 1 hour closed bullish, and after the first 15-minute candle closed bullish like this.
Yeah.
This is a move that I wouldn't enter off of. Like this right here. This right here directly, I wouldn't enter off of this directly if it looked like this. Because this is a gulag move. We don't have enough support to the right side to go up here. But then, as the first 15-minute candle closed bullish, I was anticipating, okay, maybe that's the 1 hour high price wants to drive down. Right here.
Gotcha.
So we entered, boom, and price broke the lows. Now we're probably gonna head back down to range here if this is a fake out. Yeah, nothing I could have done there. It's a trade I'll take 1,000 times. I can't redo much there. Yeah, so this could be a target. We could tap 133, 330. Right, they bear sure. See what happens here. Yeah. See what happens there. And also, there wasn't a high level yesterday because we only caught like 10 pips, and the move was pretty quick. There was no point of me making a high level for that. But you know, it was a win. It was a winning day yesterday. It was still a winning day yesterday, but there was no highlight video. Morning fam, what up? What up, Prosperous Solutions?
Another fake out, bro.
Oof. So if you guys haven't known yet, on the left side, these are the trades I took today. Those are all the trades I took today. Every stream you guys I have will have my list of trades that I took today. All the wins, all the losses throughout the day. And on the right side here, it'd be the trades I called out that I didn't enter. And these are trades I called out and entered. So there's that. Man, 30 minutes and close bearish. See what happens here. Let's see what happens. Gold, gold, gold. I think gold's gonna go up today. Or right now actually, probably tap this range here. But still in a weird range here, so I think I'll probably avoid this range. But you know, since this candle right here, this 1 hour candle right here on gold, is breaking the previous candle high, we have a high chance of pushing up to this target up here. But it's just you have a small range here, it's not worth the trade. Like a 30 pip TP, but stops are way too big. Stops are bigger than E. This is a gulag move. See how it played out now? You know? Gulag move.
Almost fell for a gulag move last night, man. But I was like, wait. And then, yeah. Those cat. Clean money just last night. I should put on fire. Fire from sleep. I'm like, you know what, man.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
Nothing. Coulda, shoulda, look at that.
If you wanted to do it, you would have done it, man. If you wanted to do it, you would have done it. But you didn't. You didn't want to do it. Alright, I think 30 minutes on close bearish here. 15 on close back. What is a gulag move? So the gulag move is a move that I think I invented. Well, I invented a name for it. I just play a lot of Warzone and I just get the name from there. But yeah, so I get from there. But I call it the gulag move because what it is that it's just GJ or a price closing above a certain resistance, but there's not enough support on the right side for it to go up. So see how this kind of just drove straight down now? This is what usually happens. This is a move that I stay out at all times. Like this, my old stuff would enter a buy here, stop loss below here, TP above wherever, but I specifically stay out that trade now, at all times. I get stopped on it way too many times, and now I use it to my advantage, because I spent an entire day backtesting why I got stopped out that day, and I figured it that it was because this is the reason we didn't have enough support, and now I call it the gulag move ever since. Yeah. We're gonna have a buy stop. Yeah, I'm gonna have a buy stop on GG right here.
Especially if it's 30-minute closes bullish.
Yep. Well, yeah. Buy stop at 1. This is my last trade of the day probably. Should be the only trade though if it does play out because there's that big ass target. 133.618. There we go. No, sorry. 133.623. Oh, that's a buy stop. So Earlier there was no buy stop because we didn't have any confirmation above here except for the daily candle breaking the highs. But now we could have a buy stop here because this is the previous hourly high or the current 1 hour high. So we know that if price breaks that, this is the 1 hour low for price to drive up bullish.
I thought you were putting it on the 15-minute high.
Isn't this it?
You said one. You said.
Oh no, this is the yeah, because I thought that this was the high of the whole hourly. I was tripping earlier.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, so I figured out that this wasn't the high. This is up here is the high. But yeah, I think once it breaks to 15, you can probably head up to that target anyways. Just I took that loss earlier, so I can't be as aggressive on this buy stop, you know. Like if I didn't take the loss, I'll put a buy stop above here, probably. But yeah, took a. Oh, you're still bullish. Yeah, I'm bullish above this target. Why not? Like this is a whole different trade. Like this is my target if we break above that level today. 134, 332. You know that loss, which is probably what's the entry price? Buy stops right here. Yeah, because whenever I take a loss, I'm not gonna switch my bias up. It doesn't make any sense. The bias is still correct. It's just that maybe the entry is off. Because when you switch your bias, man, you're gonna overtrade. You're gonna do this. You're gonna do that. It's not gonna lead. It's not gonna be a good position to be in. You know, took a loss on buy, taking a sell here. Taking a loss on a sell, taking a buy here. It's not how the market works. The market messes you up. The trade makes sense. The trade makes sense. You know, I'm not revenge trading. I'm not doing any of that here. I'm only taking 2 trades per day. My bias is buys. We break above this target. That's why buy stop is there. But until we actually break the buy stop, there's no buys at all. So until we break the buy, until we break this, I'm bearish technically. But once we break that, we're bullish up to this target up here. Why do you stops as opposed to limits? I don't use limits. Like I don't use stops. I use stops just so I can have a precise entry. But it's technically a market X for me. Like I don't have it at a certain price, you know, because I think this is a bank move or anything like that. But yeah, I just have stops. Buy stops is yeah, I don't have buy limits because they're kind of risky, because like you never know how far back counts on pull back. Or like for example, like let's say you have like let's say price came up here and you wanted a retest right here, and you would have had a buy stop, a buy limit right here on a retest. But you don't know how far down this candle's gonna drive. It can drive down here for all we know, right? So I'd rather wait for a candle to close than actually just wait for like a candle to reject off a certain level to go up. Like, I'm not the type of trader to have like those type of tops and bottoms, you know, for me to call buy limits. This stream is so much better than Wix Online. whatever you guys want to do here, man. It's all personal preference. I respect all streamers. I respect Raja, the GOAT. Like, what happened? Trades with me? I didn't see it yet. I haven't checked the website. Is it clean?
So they said they're about to do it like this weekend.
Oh.
This weekend, but yeah, they said it's gonna be like super. Nice.
You know, guys, you guys say whatever you guys want about any other stream, but at the end of the day, numbers do not lie. And by numbers, I mean percentage. Win percentage, that does not lie. But yeah.
Any other
There's
okay?
yeah.
Young forex traders trying to get better in our skill. Trying to just share some free education.
GG has been difficult. No, actually GG has been pretty good this month. It's only like this week where we took 2 losses. Well, this month we took both losses at the end of the month. but should took 3 losses this month. But yeah, like first week of June we caught we caught from May 31st to June 6th we caught 580 pips. From June 7th to June 13th we caught 279 pips, and last week we caught 327. No, the week before we caught 327, and this week we're currently at 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 11, 12, 13, 110 pips or something like that right now for this month, this week so far. So like, it's not bad. It's middle of the week. Actually, no, it's Thursday. Actually, it's not the middle of the week, but it's a pretty slow week. But the week started off pretty good, or the month started off pretty good. 180 pips start off. It's pretty crazy. Off GG alone. No US 30, none of that. US 30, just GG alone. Oh yeah. I don't know. Like I'm not gonna lie. Like June's probably my second best month after April. I mean after March.
Wait for July super high.
Yeah, guys, so GG's currently falling down. This calendar day closed bearish. I said only buys above this level, so until that happens, we're technically bullish coming down to this range here. So buys are technically not valid until price actually breaks this high.
Right now, I'm just trying to
Gotta wait. Yeah, I just gotta wait, because now we have a high chance of pushing down to this level. Super high chance. But if you do break this low here, I'm probably gonna delete the buy stop. And just wait for another opportunity here. Who is watching this one at the same time?
Sir,
Yeah, whose mic is that? Chill out.
my man's is using a drill at 7 o'clock in the morning. Calm down.
Where's you doing your price at? Price action kind of reading. Question is, where are you gonna learn that at? I've learned a lot of my stuff from Raja and Uncle Ted. I'll say majority Uncle Ted.
You know, Uncle Ted at price action really I watched it. So fire.
A lot of it was just like, I would say like I spent the last year, because I met those guys super late, but I spent the past year like on all these other courses like Cubans, like that course, there's like a bunch of other courses that just it was useless, man. But like at the end of the day, it still taught me support and resistance, I guess, and taught me supply and demand, and I guess that's all I needed. So all the fibs, all that trend line stuff, that's just bullshit. That harmonic shit he taught in the course was just bullshit. But like I'll say that the supply and demand, support and resistance, like I kind of learned it from baby pips, I guess. Like a support is pretty simple to figure out now, but yeah, I'm doing this buy stop, guys, on GJ.
Or bottom of the house, resistance, top of the house. It's about to rain.
Yeah, so I think sells will be probably below this level here on GJ. That's what I'm looking at. Let's see what happens though. See, I gotta wait for this 20-minute so hourly candle to close. Let's see. We're gonna be a bit more what's the word again? A bit more patient today because I took that loss. There's not gonna be a lot of anticipation. This will be more of just, you know, direct moves. Anticipation for me comes when like instead of two, like for example, instead of like 2 anticipation confirmations, I would just have 1 anticipation confirmation. I don't know if that makes sense. That might be too complex for some people because they don't know what I mean by I say anticipation. But yeah, if you've been in the shoes long enough, you probably know what I mean. All indicators really work. Yeah, everything works. Everything in the market works. It's just what works for you and what doesn't work for you. But all indicators, all that, like I say, it works. It's just it didn't work for me at all. Well, it worked for me, but I couldn't say that it was a 80% winning ratio. You know what I mean? Like it'll work one time. I'll get so happy about it. Like it'll bounce off the fib level, the 61.8 fib level one time for a huge like 5,000 point US30 move. I'll be so happy. I'll be like, yo, this fib is crazy. This that. But how often is it gonna work out of 100 times? For me personally, of 100 times and using the fib, I would say 4%. I'm not gonna lie. So that's why I dropped it. And this, whatever I do now, I'll say pretty accurate, as you can see in the streams. Pretty accurate. So I just do this now. I dropped everything except for a line and a box. Weekly on GJ has no bond wick. Could it possibly create one? Weekly candle does have a wick, I think. Does it? Yeah, it has just a little stub. But like I said, the weekly level last week closed with no bottom. Oh my Mac's dying here.
Bottom, no, it did have it. It's just like a little bit.
Yeah, so like I said last week, guys, the weekly candle closed bearish, and when it closed bearish, it had no range because this kind of had no bottom wick. So that's why this week I said at the beginning of the week I said it's gonna be a slow week this week, right? Because you don't know if price is gonna reject off this level because we have a confirmation that we closed with no bottom wick. That's what we have, but we can't say that we're gonna push up from here, right? We have no other confirmation. So that's why I said that's gonna be a slow week. So we actually needed this candle right here to close bullish this week to tell us that we're gonna push up next week to retest the highs at 138 and all that, right? So let's see how this week closes, but if it does close bullish, we have a high chance of just pushing up next week to like 138 level and retest the high again and potentially break it. But until then, we can't really say much. That's why I said it's gonna be a slow week. Yeah, it's in a month too. Last week of the month, right? Yeah. You know what's crazy though? For the month of June, we haven't had one day where we ended in a loss. Like we took losses. We took 3 losses in the month of June.
Almost lost
Like,
yesterday, but that style just.
yeah, like we took three losses throughout. Like I guess, like let me count all the trades we took this month on the streams. Let me count. I think it was like, let's see.
This is. I think it was like
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
whole month was like
10, 19. Fuck, I didn't keep track of like. So what I did was I spent last week keeping track of, well, this week keeping track of what's on the stream, what's on the signal, but I didn't keep track of what was on the stream specifically for the last 3 weeks. So I can't tell, but I'll say it was probably over like 60 trades, 2 trades per day, or 3 trades per day, probably 60 trades, around 60 trades, and we only lost three trades. So do the math. What's that?
It's badass. That's what they do.
Yep. TJ probably Bears.
95% within the month of June. 95% accuracy, and you can just watch every replay. Yeah, GJ has a high chance of falling down here.
Yep. Because,
This is a fake out right here, yeah.
it's either this.
Yeah, this is a gulag move then, you see? See how it played out now? He's currently coming down to tap that support, make that support, or make whatever he wants to make, but I think GJ wants to break the 1 hour low, so I'm going to drop for the day, I think. New York's supposed to open here. This 15-minute count doesn't have no bottom wick, so there's no entry for me. It's also a 4 or 5 minute candle, so I can't enter off here. I'm gonna have to wait for the next 1 hour or something. So hopefully this kind of has a huge wick or something for us to go down. Do you show results on Instagram? No, I never. I never show my profits or any withdrawals on Instagram. All my withdrawals from Traders Domain and on my old broker Vantage, was shown in VIP profit. Because, you know, I only show results to people who are like, I'm not trying to sell you on something that isn't using my profits. I'll sell you on my results on a live stream, on my breakdowns, on my knowledge, on the value that I provide, on the true value that I provide, but I'm not those traders that just try to sell you on the fact that I made X amount, so you need to buy my shit because you want to be like me to make X amount. All it's gonna do for people is, man, this guy made this, man, he's a GOAT, I'm gonna buy his shit and I'm gonna make that too. You know, that's all it is. But if you show true value, only true people will join. True people will. Alright guys, any viewers on the stream? Nice. Appreciate everyone for showing up today. Appreciate it. Yesterday we actually hit a high 100 and something viewers. It was 110 or something, but it's pretty crazy. I mean, I can. Like, I can easily just take a screenshot and show all my shit every day. Let's see. I might do it for the rest of June. For odd July, sorry. For odd July, I can show all my trades taken during the day. Because these, like, yeah, they know I show my results quite regularly. Jimbo, you just tell him, man. Just tell him. Tell him, you know. Just tell him, bruh. Just tell him that Drake line. Come on. You know that Drake line in Demons?
Bank account. TD is on Kylie. All I gotta say, TD is on freaking Kylie. Look up Kylie Jenner.
But I guarantee you guys, if I want to do show my profits every day on Instagram, it's gonna be all of man, this is this is that, this is this, this is that. I show the bank withdrawal. This is that, this is this, this is Photoshop, this is this, this is that. I show the MT5 screenshot. This is that. This is I don't show profits. Man, you never show profits. You know this. You know that. You know, that's all that it is. I know exactly what it's gonna lead to. So that's why I just start to staying quiet. Like I'm telling you guys, bro. I'm telling you right now. From 2010 to 2020 was the year of the decade of showing off cars and all that stuff in the Forex industry. The Forex industry is gonna change. I'm telling you right now, it's gonna change. The marketers, they're not gonna be marketers anymore because people are not gonna fall for them. They're gonna fall for the people who provide true value. So we're ahead of the game here. We are ahead of the game here.
It's okay, bro. It shall take us a little bit longer.
You from Toronto? Yeah, I'm from the
He's from the 6th.
From the 6th here. Toronto.
Psych, you're not from East Atlanta, like that boy.
East Atlanta 6th?
East Atlanta, yeah. So
I'm from 6th Street, New York. I'm playing.
I'm so dead. The police still on strike, man. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Fuck, IMO, can't fall for that shit. Yeah, IMO's a little rough out there, you know what I'm saying?
I mean, that 225 does sound nice though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm dead, bro. Yo, it's this other thing that's going around right now. Oh my god, it's like a cheaper version of IML. Oh,
Cheaper version of IMO? Bruh.
like, yo.
A man said a cheaper version.
Bro, not like, man.
Why?
I don't know.
And a
Like,
cheaper
my
version of
friend, like,
IMO.
he
You really think,
tried to-
first of all, you really think you're gonna beat IMO? IMO cannot be beaten, man. The only way to beat them is to take them down. As much as I, you know, can say whatever I want to say about IMO, they're winning at the end of the day. The whole company's winning. They're making a shit ton of bank.
It's crazy.
A shit ton of bank. So you can't really say anything about that.
Yeah,
But
NBA players, NFL players.
yeah, you can't beat
Yeah.
that. You cannot beat that.
Somebody on the Spurs, I think.
I mean, if you're in the forex industry, you don't need to be. You just learn how to trade.
Yeah, but I'm saying, bro, I honestly think out of the forex industry, about 4% is IMO, or 30%. I say 30%,
I believe that too. I started in IML. I started in like.
or at least have been in IMO. If they're not currently in IMO, they'll probably been enrolled in IMO when you started off or something, or you got introduced to forex through IMO, right? I'll say 30% of traders are.
It's like this. This how the forex journey starts. It's either this you learn 1 by yourself, or 2 through IML, or 3 through a front. That's the
Or
only
course.
four.
You lucky if you catch it down early. Real quick.
Man, if I caught Don early, man.
I caught him like 4 months after IML, like last year around.
But like people caught me,
Right after.
but like
Not even right after. It's like a month before I quit IML.
I was in IML like this shit not gonna work. I need to learn how to
as
trade.
long as you guys are here when we're streaming, you're good. You're good. Trust me. You didn't miss out on much. But yeah.
This
The rank is
I learned
like a
through
triple
Don from like one of my old IML people, group, whatever.
Yeah, me too.
They put his free signal thing. It was like, yo, check this kid out. It's pretty
Yeah,
good.
yep, me too.
Literally, they play shit in. I'm like, yo, who's this? I'm like, yo, that's pretty good. And I'm like, yo, I made way
Like,
more money off of like
3 days later is when I like flipped like $10 to like 300. Crazy.
Facts.
And then like 2 days before when I saw like the US 30 drop like 2,000 points, I'm like, yeah, I gotta learn.
Bro, I didn't even know about gold until like they put
Dang.
I swear to God. Yo, that first $100 off gold, I'm like, yo, I'm the fucking shit. I'll dog anyone in this forex shit. Bruh, I took one of these signals, that shit got demolished.
Do you think
Sit by.
gold going down? Yeah. So gold, grab below. Once you break below here, you're gonna enter a sell here on gold. Once the candle closes a bit bullish, you're gonna enter a sell below there, coming down to this target down here. That's like a 50 pip move on gold there.
Oh, margin call, hold on.
What are spreads for gold right now on Trader's Domain? Trader's Domain 4 pip. Gold GG is only 1 pip. Yeah, gold is quite high. Yo, Locke, what's the Vantage spread for gold right now?
Lock.
It's 37.
Yeah,
Five
same
pips.
shit. 5 pips? Yeah, same shit. Yeah, I think mine's 4 pips. Oh, Trader's Domain has smaller spreads than gold.
Did you get out that buy?
Me?
I mean, not you, Lock.
Locke, I stopped that entry. Yeah, I stopped that entry.
Oh, for GJ or? Oh,
No, that US 30 that you sent me.
yeah, I secured it before I went to sleep.
Nice. Bruh. Cause look, I was like, yo, is Lock still holding? Please don't tell me he's still holding, my brother.
Yeah, it actually went up. London. God
Yeah,
damn.
bro, that drop is scary though, I'm not gonna lie.
I know.
I'm like, bro, please tell me you got out. Yeah.
Check your AUD. Send me your AUD chart. A labeled chart as well. Labeled and analyzed.
Actually,
And I'll
I
look at
wouldn't
it.
even touch gold because there's a lot of US moves coming up in there. So yeah, just chill out on gold.
Too
Wait till that news is over. Yeah, it's about to be a goddamn
Goddamn candle here going.
goddamn up, down, blue, red. You know?
Yo,
Cause look, at the end of the month with gold, bro, it just goes crazy, bro. I don't know.
yo, what's that dog page you have again, Jimmy?
Huh?
That dog page you have.
French bulldog.
What's the at?
Huh?
What's the at of that account?
Oh, baller bullies.
That dog is so cute.
Appreciate it, bro. I'm still trying to get rid of this girl, but no one wants her. Like, bro, take her. I mean,
Yo, guys, literally, I never do this, but yo, shout out to this page, bro. Look at these dogs, bro.
Bro.
Yo, look at these dogs, bro.
yeah, man, appreciate.
This is probably the only page I'll shout out in my life. I'm playing, but look at these dogs, bro.
Click. Hold on. Click on that picture right there.
Yo,
Dog.
this
How
dog.
you not like that, dog?
Yeah, how much is this dog, Jimmy?
25.
Wait, that's not $25. That's not 25. That's not 250.
That is a
That's not 2,500.
2020 Toyota Camry.
That's
right there.
25K.
Look greasy, bro.
Wait, 25K or 2,500?
25K.
Yeah,
You know how
25K, bro.
expensive that little dude is?
Yeah.
5 figures.
That is a expensive little pup.
That's
I don't like to throw numbers, but click on the next picture right there.
Which
Why
one?
is he
This one?
expensive?
Yeah, her.
Yeah.
4K.
40?
4.
Oh, that's not bad. That's...
Yeah.
How about like this?
Why so expensive?
This guy reminds me of
Oh,
the.
yeah.
This guy reminds me of life real quick. I don't know why.
Nah, his is like
That's a light
more
skin dog,
expensive
bro.
one.
Yeah, 25K
Yeah.
for a dog. 25 racks.
Yeah.
That's a,
That's the color,
skin
bro. I'm
dog.
telling you.
how much is this again?
That little guy, I think he was like, we got him for a deal because one of the homies, I think we got him for like 12.
Mhm.
Then the girl, we got her for like 8. Yeah. Best and best. Remember, click on that picture right there.
This one?
Hold on. No, go up, go up. Hold on. Is it? Right there, yeah. And with the red in the background. Hold on.
Oh, this?
Yeah. Right, she be squeak, bro.
Do a dog cook for herself? Why is it 25K? Yeah, people pay for that. People pay for this dog. I don't know.
Yeah.
People are dog
Good
lovers.
investment, right? If you got that type of money.
So you can breed it and you can just make bank off it. Like, how much is this in one picture, bro?
Oh my, bro, that right there is a freaking house.
Is it your sister?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but one of them passed because of
Oh shit.
yeah.
COVID?
No.
Oh.
Some BS that happened with the breeder. I mean, not the breeder, but the caretaker. Yeah. It is what it is. 9 still alive, and the rest they're sold now. 2 of them have a nice home in Cali now.
Damn.
I'm dead. So sad. The dogs can cook for themselves. Nah, bro. They can cook for you, bro. For sure. You gotta teach them.
All right, back to trading though. Pretty
GJ tested that support beautifully. If it breaks, it's previous 15.
Oh, it didn't break that
Fine.
1 hour low.
Nope.
Damn.
Expected. So plus it's about to be NY open in 2 minutes. It is 3, but
Man, I don't know what's gonna happen there. I think I'm gonna have sell stocks if anything below this candle. But other than that, I'm probably just gonna. Let's see what happens. See what happens.
we gonna just wait it out. Yeah, bro. This is the no touch zone right here, bro.
This is a no touch on. Yeah, you can't
No
reach
touch
it.
zone,
This is
don't-
the range.
don't try to wait.
Unless it like farther out of the range.
Yeah. Wait till it like
Be
fully
safe.
breaks. Like this is one of those zones where you have to like fully break. And GJ this whole week it's been one of those like wait for the fully break or you're gonna get fully demolished. You know? Like that's how GJ been this whole week.
Midi. Are you in VIP? You say you missed the US30 days. You're in VIP. I'm going to chat him, Smitty. Yo, Lock, are you on the YouTube side right now? Yo, if you guys are in a live stream call, if you guys are on a YouTube side, just put a message in real quick or for something. So I think Jimmy and Sam is I think already, but
Don't worry, bro. Time for my moderator actions to kick in real quick.
he's just talking there as well. Do whatever y'all want to
Hey,
do.
Smithy, 25K. You gonna pay that yet? Yeah, bro.
That's an expensive dog, man.
Yeah, man. Just look up like, man, good investment. All I have to say. It's weird. It's one of those real expensive, high risk ones, but it's worth it if it plays out. And bruh, when people hear it's fully bred, brother, you're about to get a goddamn Lambo off them. Monthly payment. I'm dead. Get 2 of those dogs to make more money than trading. Yep. 2 of those dogs.
If you know how to sell them quick and breed it.
Yep. Yeah. you have one, you have to get a good breeder. Two, they gotta be full bred. If they're not full bred, don't even think about selling them for like.
What if I hear a brand new life for me?
Facts. Look, what I heard when like the professional lady said that, I was like, wait, what? Nani?
The babies go for 25K too.
Huh?
I think the babies go for 25K too.
Only the ones that got like the rare colors. Those are the ones that go.
That's still a lot of money though.
Hell yeah, bro. I'm like, yo, when the lady said that, I'm like, yo, is
That's
this
like
a lottery ticket?
$200,000-$300,000.
I'm right next to a freaking lottery ticket right now.
Yo, what if they get stolen?
Huh?
What if they get
When they
stolen?
get stolen. It's like that's the.
I was just thinking
about
like, what if you lose your dog? Like,
liability, bro. They're like a liability investment, right? But once you get them off, sell them, whatever.
It's
Oh,
like 8:30.
oh, what is that? Hourly no bottom wick? Oh. Oh, I'm tripping. It was 8 o'clock. Tripping. But nah, bro. When you got them dogs, you gotta make sure you're good. Keep that fire you look good.
Oh my god, GG had no one gonna open up with no hourly bottom here. Interesting. I think look for selves once you break below this level here. You have a look please? Yeah, I got you, bro. Finally a chart. Someone that's fine does not say look at this, look at that. It sends me a chart. If you guys look at the top right, it says please send a label chart. Why is it? Okay, cool. Okay, someone send this. Copy this. GJ 30-minute time frame. Rejection came back bullish down here. Okay, rejection off daily wick. Boom, buy sell above. Daily, yeah. I was looking at that as well. Yeah, buys above there. Yeah, be pretty clean as well. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Cause maybe that sell that is happening was a fake out to go higher.
But then again, there's a fake out to go earlier. There's a fake out earlier to go down. There's a go down to go up. It's a bunch of fake outs on 15. 15 is just choppy, but 30 minutes is just one perfect range. The 30 minutes is one clean range, and the 1 hour is also just one clean range as well, right? But this sell was a gulag move though. Now we have that support to the right side though. We do. See, we have that support now. So now we have a chance of going up. It's just that we need some type of closure or something.
Alright, I drew my range line. Once it breaks there, I'm going into it, right?
How do I send a chart? Send a VIP? Someone just sent it above, right there. Read the description on how to send one. Someone just sent it though, right there.
Not send.
Just put that little code that he has right there.
Not the whole link.
Yeah, do not send the whole link. I can't see it.
Like,
Oh brother. Oh brother.
you in the buy, aren't you?
No.
I'm not. This man is up like 15 cents right now.
No, I can't. No.
I'm not.
I'm gonna wait for next time. This candle close probably. Look for buys.
15 or
This 15 probably.
gotcha.
Cause it has no bond wick, right? That's the only thing that's tripping me out right now.
Yes,
A lot of conflict today. It's
no, this is a lot of news today, man. So, you know, it's not one of those against type of days. Whoa, whose Hellcat is that in the background?
Hellcat engine.
Hellcat. Oh, man. People said, man, a whole bunch of things going on. Trading right now is just like a big drama show at this point, man. On social media. Where are the real traders at?
Nowhere to be found. What you say?
There's a lot of trading drama going on right now.
Drama?
Yeah.
With who?
For no reason. Huh?
With who?
prosperity views.
Oh, those guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it is what it is. Whatever gonna happen. There, happen, bro. Yeah, I'm cool though.
Oh, yeah, guys, I have a question for a chat. Does the stream just stop sometimes and pause for you guys, or like does it like what? Because
Yeah,
someone
it does
someone
this
said it
one
does
thing-
that.
It does this one thing where like the screen, it looks like real glitchy, and then it goes back to normal. It does that every now and then for some reason.
Is it okay though? Like, it's choppy today? Yeah, cause I need wired connection, man. I can't do wireless connection, man.
For my brother.
I can't. My room doesn't have it. I gotta move downstairs or something, the basement or something.
Or install a separate wireless router in your room, bro, and then you connect it to that. And then you use the Ethernet.
But still, like, it'll
connect
still
that
be
one.
wireless though. Cause I don't, the Ethernet cord in my room, there's like nothing to connect it to. Like I can't even connect the router to anything. Like it's all wireless. It's all downstairs in the main floor.
Or you get like a Wi-Fi extender, so it can like help you out a little bit.
I have that. It's
Might
it's
help
pretty
out a
trash.
little bit.
It's not trash, but it just doesn't. It's not as
It's not as good as supposed to.
Yeah, it's not as good as it's supposed to be.
It's still trash. I got you. Look at that.
It's pretty trash though.
Basura.
So I think what I could do is I can actually just relocate my room or something. But let's see. Can get my PC soon. I want to see where I want to put it. Maybe it might be downstairs in the basement because that's where everything is. Yeah.
You like that new monitor, bro?
Yeah, I used it yesterday for COD. It's pretty lit. I like I think my 4K one has just better graphics. Straight up. It's much more clear, the 4K one. But this one, 1080, the 1080 gaming one, I mean, I guess it has a faster response time, but
What's the response?
it's still 1 ms, but like the 4K is 1 ms too, but like 1080 is better for gaming.
How many? What's the refresh?
Because 4K, when you game on 4K monitor, you have there's too much shit the game has to process for the 4K resolution. What's it?
What's the refresh rate on it?
I think 75. I was gonna get the 144 one, but probably gonna get later on in the future get a better one, probably get like a way better one, but
I'm gonna
this
hold
is
up
just
on my
this is
PC
just for now.
in the fall. I'm gonna wait till like next year. I don't need it. I don't need no.
Yeah, I'm with next year too. Get a nice one.
Like right now, I can't even use both monitors for like trading. Right, I can only use one because I'm using my MacBook, and that connects to my monitor. I can't connect it to both monitors. I need a different cord, a second cord.
Yeah.
But yeah, like right now, I literally just have it for gaming as of right now. But when I get my PC, it'll be set up like both monitors side by side. Hashtag Forex Trader had a.
Hashtag Forex Trader, hashtag. Isn't it Don? As soon as he get the PC, he's gonna take it like the market.
I have 1,000 charts on it. One trend line. A big risk to reward. A big risk to reward. Oh man.
Bruh, 1 to 50 trade ratio. Goddamn. Hashtag Lambo lavish life. Looking at it. Speaking about Lambos, bro, my friend just bought one, right? And then Quavo girl, she used it for her music video. Bro, he just bought that shit yesterday.
What? Train
Yeah,
train
he
setup?
bought no, he bought he just bought like a Lambo. I think he bought a
Oh.
Benador
Oh shit.
yesterday. He was like, bro, best investment ever. Shit. I should buy one, bro. Marketing skills will be out the roof, bro. You wanna get like this? ControlFX.com.
Stacks, I'm telling you.
Looking at this fine, bro. I'm not marketing, bro. I'm not that kind of person, bro. Look, at the IML, I do not want to use marketing, bro. Too much going on at one time. Bro, in this city, bro, I don't like flexing, bro. Hell no. It's weird.
I don't even care if people know.
Yeah.
Like I'm doing my own stuff.
Yep. Keep everything to myself. Anyways, GJ is playing the range game, so do not get caught up.
I'm waiting for this 15 close. Like, I think
How you see it closing?
I don't know how it's gonna close, but I think South's below it candle should be good if it wants to come down, because once it breaks that low, it's gonna go down, right? But I think buys overall would be pretty clean. Go up to this target, so probably have both or something on charts, or maybe like, yeah. This is the last hourly candle made a big, like it's a huge candle because they made a big high and a big low here. So who else talking? Jimmy. He's in a Zoom call.
Hello. Hello, my friend. Where it is actually.
And then there's Sam, and then there's Locke, and then there's a bunch of other guys, but they don't talk as much as these guys.
Shout out to my boy Robert, cool guy.
Oh yeah, there's Robert too. I'm tripping.
Okay.
Robert just started talking recently. So you guys hear him?
That's a pip monster 10,000 right there, bro.
I
I'm
overtraded
still
and
learning. I'm still learning.
What happened, Sam?
I overtraded and I took a buy on GCAD, and then I seen that GCAD had no bottom wick, so I was like, yo, I'm gonna just close it here at entry.
How does
And
it move, bro?
it ran up like 14 pips.
Yeah, see? When you overtrade, you just have so much emotions after. No, not emotions, but
I
you just
know, bro. I know.
just so much shit gets caught to you. Like even if, like I don't know, yeah, it's at
You
least
gotta
you.
stop yourself.
Like even if it's good, even if it's profits, man. Fuck, I can't say it's good profits.
Hand,
Yeah,
bro.
I just told myself it's not good profits anyways. So.
Yeah.
When you think about overtrading,
A
just
bad
hit your
trade
hand,
can
bro.
win, and a good trade can win.
But yo, look at GCAT though. Shit's so clean.
How'd you find out about
Way
GCAD?
cleaner than GJ. I don't know, like Roger used to trade that shit.
We need to trade it too. I think. I used to remember.
Yeah.
Like it was like back in March though. Oh,
Yeah, I mean, if GJ is like, whenever GJ is like this, I'm gonna just look at.
I think this line was like back in March or something. I don't know when I had the line up.
Sheesh.
Still respecting the area. Yeah, I think yeah, it's probably gonna go up here.
Dang. Super clean. What the heck?
I'm gonna go up to this target here.
C8.
Why weren't we trading it though? You know, the 1 hour close bullish. You know, good entry there. Retest the highs. Yeah, why not, Sam?
I was in it.
My
Oh.
mom made
No,
me
it
sandwich.
looks
I'm
super good.
tripping.
But then,
I'll be right
but I
back.
seen GJ had no bottom.
Oh,
Oh shit.
what you gotta understand is that that's the pair you're trading though. You know what I mean?
I know.
Yo, guys, I'm telling you guys, once you understand good profits and bad profits, that's all you need, bro.
Good trades, bad trades.
Cause yo, people take over leveraging trades as good profits. They think that's good profits. It's bad profits. That's the worst profits you can probably get. They're profits, sure, but you're probably gonna lose it. That's what I mean by bad profits. Profits that you can lose in the future because those trades are based off of bad habits.
Bad habits.
Or over leveraging because you see a nice move today. At the end of the day, because you had a bad day, you know, so you over leveraged on one trade. At the end of the day, you caught the big buys and it revived your whole account. But that one big move was a bad trade. I mean, bad profits. And in the future, it's gonna get you if you keep making those same mistakes over again. So it's better to just, if you take a loss, take a loss. Leave it as a loss. Don't try to force anything. Don't overtrade anything to make bad profits. Why did you buy above 13632 and 6.5? This is the daily high, but this is just the overall buy of the day, right? I can anticipate buys on small time frames like the 15 or something like this right here. I can anticipate buys from here. I'm looking for buys here actually on GJ. See.
And GJ is just not it, bro. Right now.
It's just ranging. It's all good.
Just gets stuck in these like tight ranges. Like,
Oh yeah, by the way, guys, VIP, I gave a signal. This was a trade. I didn't want to show my chart because I'll expose the trade, but it should be a risk-free trade now. It was like this. Stop loss is this. And now we're like 20% profit. Probably gonna close half here and let the rest run to TP. This is the trade that the trade I gave in VIP.
caught a little 10 pip.
I put in trade. I put in trade.
I gotta stop talking. Fred.
Yep. We had a sell stop here. I mentioned earlier for the stream that we had a sell stop here, and that yeah, can't stop loss the current candle high. I said that once you break below. Someone asked this. I think it was who asked this again? Someone asked gold. Someone asked gold. Izat, I think IZZAT. He asked for gold. I said yeah, we're probably gonna come down once it breaks this low here, and now we have a clean move down here on gold. Yeah, that was a trade I gave VIP the signal, but I didn't want to give it here because that's a little exclusive there. You know what I'm saying?
No one share, no one share. He still
Yeah.
hasn't made this bottom wick yet. So really? I really might wait for 30 minutes.
Gold sell plus 10 pips runner.
Nice tune. Song's fire,
Nice
bro.
tunes, man. I appreciate it. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, GG.
Who was the one person that disliked? What did we do to you, man?
Like dislike again? Was it the same person from yesterday?
What did we do? What did we do? Talk to me, talk to me.
I thought he was mad because he had to die.
I know about yesterday. Why y'all was
Yeah.
mad? Come on, what did we do today, man?
I think sell stops here for gold would be pretty clean. I mean GJ would be pretty clean.
Yeah, I think it's about on the bottom wick right now.
That could be the case. That could be the case. Well, I think the breaks is low, so I'm gonna tear down here. I don't know.
I'm gonna take this one.
It's 1 hour. Well, how did 1 hour close bearish? Yeah, 1 hour close bearish. 4 hours. Wait, dojis. That would have been a top way up to go down probably. So
I feel like you have sell stops here.
yeah. I think I'm gonna attempt one last trade today. I'm gonna be sell stops right here.
Why not?
Also below is kind of low right here. Let's go down. Hold on. I don't have anything up yet. Let's see. Oh, trades called. Gold sells. VIP plus 20, actually plus 18 pips, and we have a runner now.
I'm just waiting for it. For a clean break, sure.
You're in it, Don?
What for details?
Yeah, I'm in sells there, but last trade of the day. On right here, stop loss is the 1 hour high, and this is my trade. Boom. Bada bing. And profits. TP is roughly around these levels down here. Like that. Yeah, it's actually not gonna be up here. 0.3 pips, TP. Curling in profit by 3 pips here. 2 pips. 1 pip. 1 pip and a half. 2 pips.
Can you get 3? Can you get 4?
Oh man, gold's pushing. Was pushing. Yeah, gold move is so volatile compared to GJ, bro. Super volatile.
Gold is on a whole different level.
Yeah, guys. So okay, let me break down the sell for me. This is my last trade of the day, and the probably 12 pips stop loss. But this 1 hour candle closed bearish, right? So maybe I'm anticipating. Okay, maybe this is as the first 15-minute candle closed bullish, and now we broke the lows. We can say that maybe that was the high. If price wants to drive down, bearish, because now we're breaking the lows here. So maybe this is the 1 hour high for GG to make that top wick on the hourly, for it to tune down bearish on the 1 hour. So this candle could pop down like this. It can pop down like this, you know, because we can say that this probably got top wick. GG wants to go down here. And this is the last trade that I'm taking for a day. Absolute last trade. Yeah, that's my little analysis. First 15-minute candle closed bullish. We broke the lows at 15, showing us signs that we have a potential chance to continue down further down here. But if GG does break this high, if you do break above here, we can safely say that we're going to tune bullish for a day. But at that point, I'm not going to look for any buys. As clean as the range may look, once we break the highs here, I'm not going to enter any buys. And this is going to be my day right here, off this last move. Perfect. Oh shit. TP smacked on gold. 30 pips on for VIP just now. Nice.
Pretty good niche level.
Nice. 30 pips to the T. Look at that. Tapped it to the T. Plus 30 pips. Perfect. Gold sell. 30 pips.
They're talking about shutting every city down again, bro.
Why? It's getting bad?
Yeah, cases. Bro, if they shut down again, bro, it's a whole waste, bro. No
Virus part 2?
Yep.
No.
I mean, we are in part 2, technically.
Yeah,
It's
Corolla's rubbing his hands, bro.
this is the deluxe album right now. Y'all got the EP. I mean, y'all got the normal version, but right here, what's about to happen? This is the deluxe version. This is what it's been cooking up for these past 2-3 months.
Come on, bro.
Do you think so?
Just
You
like
think,
Pop
you,
Smoke.
you think it's gonna get really bad?
Terrible.
It
It's
might.
gonna get
It
terrible.
Good.
It's gonna spike back. It's been
Look,
spiking.
it's been a spike way worse. Cause one, when it gets cold, people get sick easily. You know.
Yeah.
Two, bruh.
What they
See
gonna do
how
about
much people
school?
was outside right now? Come on, dog. We're done. We're dead.
Oh, yo, you know people in Florida be thinking mask is
Right.
like against the devil. I mean, are you
Huh?
fine with like the devil's belief?
I don't know.
Because
In Florida, they're on a whole different level. I can't.
yeah, bruh. Yeah,
Cause, bruh, let me tell y'all what's been going on in my city, bro. What's been really scaring me. Alright, this is this place called Gwinnett, alright? Where the Migos from, if y'all know. Bruh, excuse me. Their cases are so high right now in the whole state. Now,
Hold on, before you continue, I'm closing GG here at entry. I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute candle to close. Okay, you can continue now.
But yeah, bro. After I heard that,
Just wanted
one,
to
bro,
say that.
we're done. The whole state's getting closed again, bro. Cause Arizona, it got shut down again. Florida, it's got shut down again. Texas, I heard they're about to get shut down. Yeah, bro. This about to be Corona Part 2, bro. The deluxe album. Gulag market.
You guys, I decided to close this trade off, and I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute candle to close there in 5 minutes. Close that entry here.
you got news in 5 minutes.
Oh, what news?
US, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What news is up around? Can you check for it?
Yeah, I got you.
Thank you.
You got final GDP, unemployment claims. Ooh.
Yeah, guys. So I actually closed here because I'm waiting for a 30-minute close, and also the fact that these sell stuffs that I had were valid. It's just that the first 15-minute candle had no bottom wick, and the 30-minute candle currently had no bottom wick, right? But now we have that bottom wick. So I'm gonna have a sell stop on GJ below the candle now. Now that we have an actual low of that candle, we can have an actual sell stop below. So maybe once this candle closes bullish, we have a sell stop below this candle to go down further, and that'll be much more clean because now we actually have a low here. But yeah, if it closes bullish, yeah, that's gonna be my sell stops. Only if it closes bullish here though. It can't close as a doji, it has to close pretty decent bullish. So something like this would be pretty good. Damn, look at this.
Yeah, bro. It's about to get real wonky. Fall time. It's basically the end of summer at this point, bro. Summer's.
Honest to God.
I don't care what no one says, bro. Like, bro, after I heard this one part in the whole Georgia, bro. We're done, bro.
Yeah, but Florida's screwed to the max.
Oh yeah, you're done. They got closed. My friend.
Yeah, Floridians angrily.
Floridians.
Angrily claiming masks are the work of the devil because they want to throw God's wonderful breathing system out the door.
Bro, I don't trust Florida people. Do not trust Florida people.
No.
Never.
They will send you to the gulag.
Canada's just like reopening right now.
Yeah,
Really?
Canada's fine though.
Wait, I thought y'all closed. I thought y'all still closed.
Nah, we fine.
No, we're reopening like right now.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Nobody
bro.
has it. I don't think anybody has this shit in Canada. Like,
I forgot. Y'all have good healthcare. I forgot. America, ours is dog shit.
no, it's not. It's just. It's like it's way more. Canada's way more spread out. Toronto's not. But like, just bare small towns.
Hello?
Yo. Yeah, South's below a 30-minute candle for me.
Broker just called me. They said GJ should be going
Blowing
in
people's
2 minutes.
accounts.
Going to do some real reckless things in 1 minute.
What time is it? 3:30? Oh yeah.
Big
I
blowing
mean,
accounts.
3:30, bruh. 8:30.
It's not on Percocet, bro.
Man says
on COD, bro.
3:30. Yo, I think it could be a no drawdown trade if we break the lows here.
It's about to close, nice.
But then again, as it closes bullish, we can have a nice wick fill as well to the top side. So yeah, these sells are very conservative. If I didn't take these losses here, this count has a high chance of pushing up here. I would look for buys, but I'm taking like for this move. I'll say it's like a I guess think of a word very safe entry, because we know that if it breaks the low, because this requires no anticipation. This is an actual move. There's no anticipation involved. But taking buys here are gonna involve some anticipations, because you're anticipating that this is the 1 hour low for price to push up on a bearish candle 1 hour. You know, the last hour is bearish. But yeah, that's why I'm taking the sells here. Very conservative. But yeah, this kind of has a high chance of filling the wick. See what happens.
Yeet.
Oh, no top wick on the 15-minute.
Yo, look at spreads.
Yeah.
They're high. Oh, 3
News,
pips,
eh?
2 pips.
Yeah, probably news or something.
Yeah, news. There's news.
US news.
Oh, minor news. Yeah.
Kinda.
What the hell?
What the heck? Yeah, why is G? That's why I was like, why is GG's bet so like high?
Who asked me about gold earlier? Hope you took the cells. Who was it?
Ready? It's gonna come down to the cell swap.
Isaac. I hope you took cells.
Isaac.
Isaac, bro?
Isaac. Isaac.
No, it's IZZAT. That's not Isaac. Isaac is ISSAT.
Maybe that's another way to
Isaac.
Isaac.
Oh.
Okay.
3, 302. 1, 2, 3, 302.
We just need a break out of the range, bro.
Man, or like close.
Oh, getting closer. Getting close to that break.
Just need it.
And reverse.
Okay. You're so close, bro.
Is that all you got?
Come on, bro.
Since
Come
it's
on,
legal.
bro.
Come on.
Oh, getting closer. Getting closer, RNGJ.
Big loan accounts.
Man, I told you, bro.
No.
No. Big delay.
Honestly, bro,
Oh,
y'all
getting
was
close.
Today.
nothing is moving, so just gonna go in oil and sell.
Oil and stuff, bruh.
Looking.
Let's sell oil, bro.
No, bro. Oil is sold over. Corona part 2.
Uh-huh.
We're going to
Part
negative
two.
100
Zach,
barrels.
I was just thinking that.
You finna get it. You finna
Then get a move at 10
barrel.
o'clock today.
Yeah,
Facts.
bro. Oil sells.
100%. I predict everything, bro.
I'm like, what kind of genie is this? I know how to predict candles. The next candle, but this guy's predicting like 10-hour candles later, bro.
Time, bro.
You guys are some next shit over here.
The man said I'm gonna sell at 10. I'm like, why specifically?
Yo, I think it's that's on a Friday at 10 o'clock today. That's when the banks leave the market. So, you know, this.
Jimmy, you're a goat for that.
According to the Pythagorean theorem, bro.
Greatest of all time, bro.
According to
All stops came so close, man. Holy shit.
It is
Nah,
on
dude.
It didn't even break the lows yet. Super close.
I gotta stop anticipating. It's messing me up.
Yeah, there's a difference between anticipating and just being a whole genie, you know what I mean? I'm anticipating a candle to open up here at this time and to versus to go up like this and get down like that. Because at that point, you're just drawing a bunch of arrows on your chart up and down. Yeah.
It's gonna do the whoop.
the RKO, bro.
No. Yo.
The RKO. But nah, bro, that move still goes to say, bro. Shit, hilarious. I'm still dead. People was trying to cheat the freaking brokers as soon as oil opened again. That was hilarious. People was like, why they charge me a 1,000 swap fee? Duh. Trying to freaking cheat the market and put a freaking buy limit at 1 cent.
Dumb. Stupid.
Stupid. People just stacking hella positions and whatnot. Okay.
Yeah, guys. GG never broke the lows here.
Wow.
So mean that. So technically, whenever I have stops and buy stops, it means that like I'm still bullish based on the fact that the previous 30-minute closed bullish, but until it breaks that low, that's when I'm bearish. So that's why stops is a place. But when I have a stop, it doesn't mean that I'm bearish right away. You know, it's only when it breaks that low here. But fuck, I missed the buys. I was gonna answer a buy as we broke these highs here. Oh man, I think fuck. Target is up here. 134. Cause I think now that was a clear way to go up. We broke these highs though. Probably push up here. I missed the whole. Yeah, I'm deleting the sell by the way though. But man, that moved so quick. I was just gonna say it. I was gonna say I was gonna be on buys here. Let's see. Let's see if he comes back around this level. I'm probably gonna look for buys.
You think you can close those sales, man?
Yeah, sell are closed.
Where's the 8-6?
Bro, who?
There's no.
Mike,
Alright.
who's that?
Oh my goodness.
My brother?
Yeah, so this gold candle, we made a liquidity wick down to go up. So now we're breaking the 15 highs. We're breaking every single high here. So now we have a high chance of pushing further up to maybe 134, 332. This might be a huge count here.
Now, whose mic is that?
That was Sean's mic.
Oh. Hey.
And that happened so quick, man. I couldn't even get a chance to answer.
4D boys.
Sorry. Let's see. Yeah, it's not bad. But even if I did enter, I think I would have got to stop the entry here. Because it came back to my entry just now. If I would have entered it here. It was like 9% profit. Alright, you know what? Gotta be patient. Those are clean though. Because now what GG just did was a liquidity wick down for us to push up. You say this is a liquidity wick. $77 viewers. What up, everyone? Yeah, so I'm still looking for buys above here at the end of the day. So even if I did miss those buys from here, a little move just now, buys above this level will still be clean for GJ. Man, that's actually crazy. It came so close to the sell stop. Didn't break the lows though. So you guys gotta be patient, you know. Gotta be patient. And no, I'm not gonna enter here because it came back down because this is a whole different trade idea, right? Because now that this count's come back down, I don't have the advantage anymore of moving stops to entries when price came to this resistance. I had a chance of doing it up here. I would have got to stop the entry here. But now if I enter now, you don't have that advantage anymore because it's kind of already made a high. It already formed. So there's no entry here. Looking for a break and retest for buys. Not really a break and retest, but probably just buys above that level. I'm not sure what's going to happen in that scenario. I don't know. I can't predict the next couple of candles here. But let's see what happens. As we get closer, I can probably say something about it. But buys above that level should be clean. Yeah, so I think like yes, this big range we have on GJ. If you want to be super safe, just wait for a candle closure above this or below this. It's literally that's all that is. Sauces are not valid anymore. Stops are way too big now. Anyways. Stops at 25 pips now. No sirrees. Probably gonna wait for a candle close bearish or something to come down. Like if you have a bearish candle below the range like this, you can come down. Like this. So bearish candle like this, below the range, come down. The next support, same thing we had for gold earlier. Simple break, just a simple break out of range, and then for the upside, we can have a bullish candle like this to the top side. Close bullish, you anticipate a candle is not continue up like this. Because now you have some nice, so you have a strong resistance there and a strong support. Either way breakout, we're gonna go that direction today. So you can get an easy trade in, just gotta be patient now. That's all that is. Keep sell stop? No, I delete sell stops, man. They're not valid, I just said so.
It's not trolling, it's just ranging. You know?
Yeah, it's just ranging.
It's not trolling, it's just
But I'm pretty happy, like, the way I managed all the trades today. You know, first trade was break even. We didn't hit stop loss if it didn't close at break even. Third trade, actually, yeah, it would have got stopped out if it didn't close at break even as well. Ran wait. So that's why it's important to manage your trades to the T, and that's what's gonna keep you in the long run. 15's about to close here. Yeah, probably gonna wait for the 1 hour now. See what happens. Range. Wait for breakout. Oh, still no trade yet. The sell stops, I don't know, stops are gonna be quite big. 25 pips or 23 pips. A negative risk to reward. So there's no trade there. Gold didn't activate already, did it? Gold did. We got the VIP. I gave a signal and we activated the sells already. It tapped TP already. Gold smashed TP already. As set for 30 pips today. Caught it in the signal channel. Broken down on stream though. I broke it down on stream. Someone asked me earlier. I said we're gonna come down, but I gave a signal in VIP. So all you gotta do is follow along on the streams. But there was no I didn't say that buy now or sell now on the stream. I just gave it to VIP. So because they're in VIP, right? Gotta be exclusive. What a boring past 2 days on GJ. Boring, boring, boring. GG guys, have a good day. Yeah, you too, bro. Have a great day. So here's what I'm gonna do. Target if we break below 133, 316. Alright? And this is a target if we break above 133, 632. They're in this one huge range right now. Actually, no, above 133, 502. This is the range. So you have this. This is what you should do. You have this that's tradable. This right here in this range. This is tradable. Above here, that's tradable for buys. Below here, tradable for sells. In this range is a non-trade zone. Because anticipation, with anticipation, I only anticipate moves during like openings of sessions. Like okay, maybe the New York's about to open here. I'm gonna anticipate that we're gonna get a push here to go up, followed by the previous candle. Like that's what I anticipate. But like it's currently 9 and the New York opened already, so you don't have much left. So just now all you gotta do is wait for a breakout to either side to go up or down. Alright, so you gotta be patient. Sells do look like the sell stop could still be valid. It's just that stop loss is way bigger than the TP. So I don't wanna, take a sell knowing that I'm gonna have a negative risk to reward and not be comfortable with it. Did you grab the liquidity just to go up, to grab the liquidity to go up, come down again? Yeah, that's exactly what I did. Yeah, it's just overall it's just a range, right? So you just gotta be patient. Like some days, we'll be able to trade a range, but this range was just non-tradable today. $23 pip stops. If this was a positive risk reward, I'll take it any day. But it's the stops are gonna have to be up here at the 1 hour high, unfortunately. So it's gonna be quite big stops. So there's no trade for me here. But the chances of this playing out to come down to 133.077 here is quite high. Yeah, so far for a day, break even sells, 1 trade, trade 2, 12 pip loss, trade 3, break even. That's what we call a 30 pip move in the VIP group. So. And a day in blues here, but all day on GG. But what you guys don't understand is, like, even if I do have a slow day on GG, even if GG is just ranging, doing whatever it wants to do, man, I'm not gonna jump to another pair because it's ranging. I'm gonna stick to GG. Because some days I know that I understand that it's gonna range, and some days it's gonna make a huge move. So if you just do the same thing every day, focus on that one pair every day, you'll catch. You have a higher chance of catching, whatever it is for a day. Hitting shows on 15 minutes, sure.
Doesn't look like it. That's a weird shoulder.
Mhm. Yeah, going to sell as price retrace back up here. Because whenever we trace back up, stops were much smaller. There's a 22 pip stop for a 25 pip TP. Gone right there. I think it was, yeah, 133, 331. Right there. That was my entry.
My entry is
No,
377.
333. I'm tripping. 333. 133, 333. That was my entry, and I'm anticipating that. Yeah, well, we broke the 30-minute lows, right? So, like I said, the sell stop would have been still active for me. It was a negative risk to reward, right? But now that price retraced back up and it broke the lows, we have that advantage knowing that we broke the lows, and we should continue down here. So as price came back a little bit, I actually entered the sell in. For GJ. Entry was 133, 333. I'm empty 5. Yep, it's in the sell right now. Stops are up here. 22 pips. This is probably gonna be the last trade. Alright, cool. Cool. Am I recording a Zoom call? Yeah, I am. You got in? Jimmy, you got in or not?
Nah. I was downstairs even.
Yeah, I got in at an earlier entry though.
Of
I
course.
sold at 377.
377. Oh, that's a nice entry. Oh, you got in when it closed bearish?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I see you. Yeah. You're looking good here. Come down here. Just that now I gotta be on the stream a little longer to watch this trade. Ooh, pushing. Kinda, not really. I had. Ooh, pushing there in DJ. 5 pips in profit. Cool. Should be good to go down here. Should be a clean count like this. If not, if it doesn't hit the TP level in the next 4 minutes, it's gonna be another counter, right? But yeah, should be something like this. If it's not, it's probably gonna be something like this. Like this, and then you're gonna have this candle, then you have a wick, and that's kind of coming up, and then eventually just kind of come down like this. And this is gonna be GJ right here. Take a screenshot of this right now. Right here. Boom. Screenshot this. stop loss is 1 hour high, so 1 hour is gonna close bearish probably, and the next candle shouldn't break the high if price wants to drive down. Because if it does break the high, are gonna tear me up bullish, right? But until it breaks the high, we're technically bearish. Yeah, this is my trade. If you guys join the stream, by the way, leave a like on the stream. It will mean a lot.
Hashtag catch a bottle.
Ketchup bottle. Lock is a funny guy. Lock is a funny guy.
That's the highlight stream for your server.
I should have done it. I should have posted that. Highlight stream of the day, guys. We're focusing on GJ when this is mad.
Nothing but that freaking ketchup bottle.
This guy sharded. Oh my god.
The ketchup bottle, bro.
The ketchup bottle flavor. That's a new playbook. Playbook play. I saved Locke's Telegram name under ketchup bottle guy.
We are good to go now.
Oh shit, we're pushing here on GJ. I looked down my phone for like 5 minutes, like two seconds, and just pushing down here. I think, yo, okay, so GJ. All right, so GJ, here's a little thing right here. So we're in the trade already, cool. Once we break below these levels, these key levels right here, it's gonna be a clean traffic candle move down to the support here. Like we're in profit, but you're gonna see a big push once we break below those levels on GJ. Clean traffic. But I'm gonna move stop loss to entry now. Currently 8 pips in profit, move stops to entry, and then run risk free. Perfect. Stops to entry is risk free trade. My last trade of the day. If it hits our entry, it hits our entry. I don't care what happens after this. This is my last trade because if I take another trade after this trade, it's gonna be me over trading.
237. Once it breaks 237.
Yeah, once it breaks below these wicks here, it's gonna be flying
it's
down. Let's just hope we survive the entry first.
Like, please, bro. Please.
But even if it doesn't hit entry, it still has a chance of if it hits our entry, it still has a chance of driving down, right? It's just that I don't want to put risk on it, right? As we're breaking the lows here, it just makes no sense for you to put you know, let's put original stop loss here for 25 pips. So I'd rather just let the trade run, and if it hits our entry, hits our entry. If it hits our TP, hits our TP. But it's not hitting our stop loss for all we know, because I'm not gonna overtrade like that. I'm gonna do the same thing I've been doing all stream, you know, all day, every day, which is putting stops to entry. Where if you're comfortable, and closing 50% at 10 pips.
1 more minute. Let's see. 10 seconds.
Yeah.
GJ does
But
it.
now what we gotta survive on GJ now
Yeah.
is we actually gotta survive the pullback of the next candle. So
Oh, there it is.
yeah, that's the pullback. So let's see how far. If it doesn't hit our entry, we'll be good. But if it hits our entry, so once it flips bearish, it should be good. It just has to flip bearish. My entry here.
Only 3
Ooh,
times.
close. Coming close. Coming close. Coming close. Come on.
The 1 hour, I mean, for the.
Just has to flip.
Yeah, the 15 has no bottom work.
Yeah, it just has. Yeah, so our interest has been hit.
Yeah.
I'm off of this trade, but guys, if you guys looking for sells are still valid. We closed below the ranger, so you can still leave your sells coming down to the supporter.
There you go, made a top wick.
Yeah, I'm off of this trade. Has a flip bearish. Yeah, I'm probably done for a day though. Sells are clean, but I don't care what happens after this trade. It's be my last trade. Oh man, what a weird day.
You know, such a slow day too. Feels
But
slow.
sells are still valid. Sells are valid here, guys. I can tell you right now. We broke below the range. This count broke below these counts right here. This count should just respect that high if price wants to drive down. But yeah, guys. I'm at 9:01. Should I stay in the stream? Or should I hop off? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Chat, let me know. Do you guys want me to stay on the stream for a little bit? Or you guys want me to hop off?
One for stay on, two for hop up. Drop those ones and twos. We got
Stay on, stay on.
Why, you think there's gonna be a move coming? There's gonna be a huge move coming for sell here, but
Bro, there's like no bottom wick.
I think it's about to do like that play that did earlier.
cause this kind of
That
had
big push.
this kind of has no bottom wick, right? So when it opened up,
Yeah.
this might just be a pullback up for it to come down here. But like, I'm not looking for any trades for the rest of the stream, anyways. I'm just chilling, just chilling here.
Mess. GJ's such a fun mess.
It's not even a mess. There's so much news going on right
Yo, when does school start again?
now. Bro, how's the test today, bro?
Bruh, I killed those exams. I killed those exams.
Hard monster.
Bro, there's still no wick for it.
Yeah, I think it's one of
What
those.
kind of? I know it is.
Maybe on the next candle.
Nah, I think it's gonna flip. It should flip, but yeah, once it
This
flips, once
Just
it
make a
flips,
high to drop, right?
yeah, that's all that is. But the thing is, we don't know how high it's gonna go.
Yeah.
That's the
We
thing.
don't know how far it's gonna pull back. Into.
Yeah, exactly.
It does the actual move.
So,
This move has me
Like what you could do if you don't want to have huge stops, you can actually wait for the candle to flip bearish, and then put your stops above that candle. Like once it flips, cause then it'll look like this. It'll be bearish, looking like this. A nice wick, right? So until that, you can do that if you want smarter stops for GJ, but it just has to flip first.
Just like, if it breaks this 15 minute, it's done. Right? The previous 15. So then
We posted on June 28th. June 28th. Oh my god.
Alright, you already got 100, but don't worry. Not worried.
Bro, these guys are like making it, like I don't know, like for exams and midterms, like they be telling you to turn on your webcam, like bro.
Bruh, they finna see Lock put in trades. What the hell does this dude doing? Why
What's
is
he
he,
doing
why
for
is he
his
smiling so hard
exam?
at his phone? Like what?
Bro, like you gotta install this program and like this program like scans your whole room and like it locks on your eye, so like if your eye,
Yeah.
it's-
4 hour as well has to make a wick. New 4 hour candle. Oh yes, it's a new 4 hour candle. So this pullback might be a little more steeper than the 1 hour pullbacks, but
oh yeah.
yeah.
Come on, bro.
Like, that's what I mean when I say we're risk free in a trade, but we're not trade free. Cause trade free would be we made this top wick already and we would have been driving down, but we had to survive that top wick that GG was making on a new candle. We also had to survive the 4 hour candle as well. It's just one of those entries where you just gotta deal with, you know, you gotta deal with those things. But yeah, I'd rather just move stops to entry than just let it run, not knowing how far it's gonna drive up before it comes down here.
If that's the farthest it'll
If
go.
this is the wick or you flip bearish, that's the high of the hourly candle to push down
Yeah.
bearish, and it'll end up looking like this, straight down to this level down here.
Mhm.
Let's see.
Look at
See.
Bro, it's so choppy.
Next week, yeah.
This is like yesterday. Entry, 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 entry. Lots of entries, you know.
Why are they so slow today? DJ.
Hit the base.
That should make a push here. Broke below the range. It has some volume. Give it a bit. Yeah, no, I forgot about that.
Thank God it didn't hit my initial entry yet.
Yeah, you have a good entry.
Sniper room. Excuse me. I keep clearing up my voice, man.
You good?
No, bro. It's 8. It's hot ass.
Are you gonna take a last entry when this count closes bearish? No, probably not. Like it has a high chance of playing out, right? But I don't know, man. I took about 3-4 trades today, so I don't know if I want to take a 5th trade. But I like thing is like it looks
That'd be
super
the
clean,
most I've
right?
seen you, yeah.
It looks super clean, but
Yes.
it's gonna be bad profits.
Plus stop's gonna be low.
Yeah, it's gonna be bad profits because I overtraded it. If I do take
Wow.
an entry here.
What the hell? CIBC took like 40 bones from this wire transfer from this withdrawal. Snakes.
3% or 2%, I think.
Bruh.
How much do you cover price action in your course? Yeah, so controlfx.com, scroll down to here, it shows you the outline here. You go to home, and you go to start, and then you scroll down right here.
This much transparency, bro.
So this is price action. Price action alone right here, and then price action here, knowing when to trade. Candlesticks, this is also price action. Chart traffic, price action. All this is price action. Understanding how to draw zones, understanding what a candle is. How to know when a range is gonna get filled, how to know what a wick fill is, how to know what wick is gonna get filled, how to know what wick isn't gonna get filled. You know, I know what a FACO is, a breakout, all that stuff. So it's all gonna be here in this. So pretty much the whole course is price action.
Yeah.
All this highlighted blue stuff right here.
Well, I got stopped out at entry and yeah, I'm done for the day.
Yep.
Hopping off the chart, boys.
Still has some flip bearish here.
What a slow team.
Yeah, you can't really do much else these days. 30 minute broke the high, 15 broke the high.
Oh yeah, go in and buying after your sell done.
Yes, it tapped TP perfectly.
And then it just went up.
Literally, yeah. That's why you guys have logical target areas. Very logical. Let's see where my TP was placed. At 1:17:55. Take a 5th trade. I'll take it right here, like this. Be my trade if I didn't take a trade. If I didn't take 4 trades to the 10 pip stops for a 20 pip TP. Clean ass trade. But you know, it's my interest today. I'll give it the VIP though.
The DJ now. Yeah, it's gonna flip.
Let's see, has a flip bearish here. Still hasn't made a bottom wick. Still hasn't flipped. Getting closer. Could this be a runner trade them? Let's see. 4-hour close bearish, right? Nah, it's probably safe TP there. This type of entry doesn't have a runner. Cause you have a strong support there in the 4-hour. If you had the buys though, that'll have a runner. If the buys happen, runner up to there, or up to here, you know, you can have runners. But sells gonna be pretty tight. The range is only like 30 pips, a 4-hour as well. After the stream, probably gonna lay in my bed, eat some chips, you know, watch some Warzone shit, and just chill out for the rest of the day. No high video me made today. Probably gonna post something though. Probably gonna post a quick little quiz up or something. Not recap, but yeah, I gotta record my recap. But I do it later during the day because I'm pretty tired right now. Oh, there it is, flip bearish. Yep. These are. This is so valid, man. But you know, I can't do this, man. I can't enter this, man. This would have been my entry though. This would have been my entry right here. This. If I didn't take 5 trades today, 4 trades, this would have been my entry. Stop loss there, TP here, entry there. But I'm out of this trade today. So yeah, guys, that's my target for the day down there. I'm gonna hop up the stream now because I don't wanna watch this come down. But yeah, hope you're having a great day today. Catch you guys tomorrow during the live stream. Thanks for everyone who showed up today. And yeah, other than that, guys, keep a lookout for a little recap later and probably something else special on Instagram. So peace.